So hello my friends, today I want to show you good exercise for back. Yes, so let's learn something new together and we go to this position. You can also use ball with this, yes, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes, also change your hands and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. And also go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you have more power, you can also go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so also try, yes, to touch your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Also, we need a few seconds of rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And also come back in this position, yes? And also try to touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And also try to another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so. And also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. And also compensation. Yes, compensation for your back. So open your chest and close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so also side by side. Okay, so thank you so much for doing this exercise with me. Thank you for the likes, subscribes, and also share your opinion with me because it's very important for me. Also, by this video, give me your opinion of this exercise. Do you like or not? And so see you soon. Bye bye.